Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about interface in TypeScript. We're going to learn how to create an interface in TypeScript. Let's dive right into it. In previous video we talked about object creation. Here you can see that here we have an employee object and we just define the shape right after this employee object here. We just define the shape here. And you can see that if we continue adding up more keys to our employee object, we're going to end up with an object which is not easy to manage. And to resolve that, we're going to use interface. We're going to harness interface here. To do so, let's first see how we can create an interface. We're going to use the interface keyword followed by the name of the interface, employee. Employee here, curly braces. Let's copy this here. Let's copy this object here, right here. And then we're gonna type the employee object with the interface. Let's copy the keys here, and then here we're gonna need to type the employee object with the employee interface. And here you can see that we just has an object that is easy to manage and it is not difficult to manage. If you want to adding up more keys to our employee object, we can just go in the interface and add more keys in it. Now let's see how we can create a function and see how we can pass. We can type a parameter using interface, and we can define also the return type of a function using interface. Let's create a function here. Function get employee data, and then here we're gonna pass it employee. We're gonna define the parameters. We're gonna take the shape of employee interface, and the return type it is going to be employee. Here you can see can return the employee, because if we doesn't return the shape of employee, TypeScript here it is going to throws an error. Then here let's copy the interface right there, and then let's call our function console.log. Then we're gonna pass the employee object, and then let's open the terminal and see what we get in console. Here we need to transpile down our interface.ts file to JavaScript. We're gonna run tsc, and then once it's done, we're gonna cd in the build folder, and then we're gonna write node interface.js. And then you can see here we just getting an object. Our function it is returning an object of employee. Now in the next video we're gonna talk about type aliases. We're gonna see the difference between type aliases and interface. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next one.